Hi there, welcome to in this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to design a landing page for lead generation and without any coding skill on WordPress. So this tutorial will be very helpful if you wanted to design your landing page by yourself without hiring any developer and spending any money. Then you can continue this tutorial because this will be very easy for any beginner without any technical skill. So here is my WordPress first installation where I wanted to design my website, and here some reference website that I can follow to make our landing page. So here one, and here another, and here another, here also another, and also here another. So I have decided designed a markup on my note. So following my markup, I am starting to design this landing page. So here I will use Elementor because Elementor is very popular and easy page builder than any others. So I'm going to my dashboard, then I install Elementor plugin, also Hello theme. So click on the plugins and add new button. So here I am going to search Elementor, and click on the install now. This is our page builder, Elementor website builder, and we also add another plugin, that is Elementor kit, help us to make header, footer, mega menu, and it's have others relevant kits that we can use with Elementor. So I'm going to install this one also. Okay, we have installed two plugins and now going to active them. So click on the active Elementor, and next going to active Elementor kit, Elements kit Lite. Okay, we have installed two plugin. Now we need to install a theme. So I'm going to install a theme. That's why I click on the themes under appearance, and here we'll use Hello Elementor. Hello. Here is the theme that we are going to use, Hello Elementor, and click on the install button. Okay, now going to click on the active button. Okay, so we have done, we have ready theme and plugins. Now we need to starting build our landing page. So first of all, I'm going to click on the add a new page. Now going to add a title of this page. So my page title, home, then click on publish button. Okay, this is my home page. and click on the edit with Elementor, as we want to build with Elementor. So I'm going to click on this button, edit with Elementor. Okay, so if you are very beginner, then you have to choose template section from the settings. Look at my mouse. I'm going to click on the settings at the bottom left corner. So I'm going to click on the settings button. From here we have to select page layout, and there have three type page layout: default, Elementor canvas, and full width. So in here, as we are going to design a landing page and that will be single page, we will use Elementor canvas. And of course we want to hide the home page title, so I am going to click on the hide title. Yes. Okay, so now going to click on the enable one page scroll. Okay, and finally click on the update. Okay, so first of all we want add a slider here or big banner at the opening, and each landing page from my reference have a big banner or promotion section. So following this landing page, I like to add a banner or slider. So I'm going to click on the plus icon at here and select one row structure, and here I am going to add a background image. So to add background image, I am going to use Unflash, open source copyright free images website from where you can use unlimited images. So I'm going to find the image mounting, searching an image for mounting, and going to download this one. Okay, we have downloaded. So in the header we want to add this image, so I'm going to click on the here, then background type is classic, then select image and upload my image from here. Drag and drop. Okay, we have uploaded our image. Now going to click on the insert media, and we have to make this layout full width. Or we can keep it boxes, as we use this image as a background. Okay, so now we need to make this height fit to skin, and we use some overlay. So here is overlay color. Okay, and now going to add some text here. For example, I'm going to copy this text and add this text here. So click on the plus icon, then search heading and drag and drop this one here, and simply put title here. And we no need the separator, so I'm going to hide separator and make this title center. And finally we need to add font family, or so I'm going to inspect the font. So font family Robic and font size 82. So I'm going to click on the title, then typography, font family Robic, font size 82, and color, primary color is okay, looks good. And then we need to add some subtitles. This is the same font and color 444, and font size is 13. So I'm going to add text here. So text I use as a text description, and title text description color 444, F4 F4 F4, okay. And make this Robic, and font size 24, or letter spacing line height, okay, and letter spacing 1, okay. Now I'm going to click on the update button, and here one work we have to done, that is change our theme. So I'm going to my dashboard, then we have to change our theme because we are not activate our Elementor themes. So I'm going to click on the appearance themes, so I'm sorry, we already added this, but there is maybe any problem for that this not working. I mean this header not removed. Okay, that is working right now. Okay, now I am going to refresh or reload this page. Okay, now it looks very good, and here I want to add a button. Add button here. So let me find a button. Get started. We can add this. We can add one button or two button as we need. So I'm going to add a button here. So just click on here and search button, and our button title or text get started, center, button size extra large or large, and going to changing the design of this button. So my button color will be get started, okay, and text color, okay. We can make it green, and work on the typography, font size and changing the padding. We need to change font size also. Okay, now it looks good. I'm going to click on the update. So at the top we need a logo. For as demo I am going to use this logo. That is not transparent, so I am going to skip this one, and we can use this logo for demo purpose. Okay, I am going to add a logo at the top, so going to search image and drag and drop right here, and at the image section I am simply upload this logo. Insert and make it center, and size, okay. Now it looks more good, and we can do more opacity or increase the opacity a little bit more. So I'm going to increase opacity a little bit more. Looks good. Okay, now click on the update. So we have finished our first section. Next we want to add some picture, and from reference there have different type of picture. For example, here the pictures 1 2 3 4 5 6, and there is no picture, or they keep this like so. Okay, so here others pictures. So I'm going to add pictures right now. So I'm going to add a new section. Select one structure, add a title. We can simply copy this one, duplicate this one, then just drag and drop here to keep the font family same. Pictures and color, just changing the colors. typographic colors will be pictures, and here the basic title of subtitle of pictures. Adding the pictures text. Okay, looks good. And changing the picture title font size from the typography section. Or you can change it more, and from the title we are making it and width normal. Okay, just adding some padding here. Typography border padding top 50 and bottom 50. Okay, then we need to add pictures. So here we are going to add 6 pictures. I'm going to add a new section and 3 column, and each column we are going to add pictures box. For example, I am going to use image box at here, or you can use icon box. So I am going to add image box here. Just drag and drop image box, then adding title 1 by 1 title, and adding images from this website. Download this one and upload this one at here. Okay, we have added image and title. Now we can make this position change, image position in left, and changing the title position. So I'm going to click on the style button, and from here spacing 50, that's good. Width okay. Vertical align middle. Now it looks perfect. Rubik, changing the font size. Rubik. Okay, and now going to copy this one, duplicate, and add in each picture. Okay, next going to Okay, we have added, but adding some padding at the bottom. So I'm going to click on the edit section, then click on the padding, then changing the padding bottom 50 or 30. Okay, and going to duplicate full settings. Looks good right now. Okay, now I'm going to changing the title, data tracking, and download this image as PNG. Also downloading all the images. Okay, okay, so we have downloaded all the images. Now going to upload one in one. So first I'm going to change this one, data taking. Okay, the next dedicate list. So first going to change the title, and next change image dedicate list, insert, and in-depth education, and changing the image also. Insert, and changing the title of this one, reliable output. Next changing the image, click on the insert, and changing the top trailer support. Top trailer support. Okay, now it looks more better, and I think we need to change a font size little bit. So I'm going to change the font size, export 4, title HTML tag 4, then it will be automatically changed from here. Now it looks more good. Okay, so also changing transform uppercase picture, and title, okay, now changing the title, description, color and typography 333, and font size. Okay, now it looks more perfect. Okay, we have done in the header section, and you can make a little bit padding at the bottom here. Image padding bottom 50. Okay, I'm going to use this uh, image text as demo purpose or share designing skill with you, but not going to use with any other website, real website. I'm going to use this just to show you my audience or you how we can design following any website. We can design how we can design landing page or website following any website. So of course we have to change icon text as our need. Okay, so we have finished top section and featured section. Now we want to add about us section. So I'm going to start that section. So I'm going to click on the plus icon to add a new section, and here we want to add 2 column. So I'm going to select this structure and making a padding of the section. Okay, now we need to add about us section. For that I'm going to get some idea from the reference website. It looks basic. It looks also very basic. Okay, we can follow this one and this one. Okay, so I'm going to start adding content first here. So I'm going to click on the plus icon, then heading, or you can directly copy this one, duplicate and drag and drop it on our about section. And here first we need a title, then we need to add content. So we can follow this one directly and going to add content here. Okay, now I'm going to use an image. So going to use this one. Will reflect this image later. Just using this image as demo, and add image here. Click on the elements and drag and drop image and simply upload image here. Upload our image. Then insert media. looks good. And here we need little bit changing. For example, title typography need to change. Default font size, okay, and color I want to make this 333, okay, and going to paragraph section or description, font weight normal, letter spacing default. Now looks good. And title margin padding need to be increased. Typography, line height 1, 4, okay, so looks good right now. And finally we need to add a button. We're going to use this button, so click on here, then drag and drop a button, changing the text, and make it center, extra large, and going to change the background color. Going to copy this color and paste here, changing border areas, add border solid 2 pixel or 5 pixel, border color okay, and typography rubric, and font size perfect, and changing the padding a little bit with padding, margin top 50 or 30, okay, then going to click on the update, now going to check my website. Looks good, okay, so we have finished 3 sections. In the top section, then featured and about section. Now we want to add some testimonial at the bottom of the about section, so I'm going to add a new section, select this structure, single structure, then add padding of this structure. Padding bottom. Okay, now we need to add testimonial here, so I'm going to click on the plus icon, then search testimonial, and drag and drop here. Here the testimonial content, and choose the image. Looks good. Misposition top. Okay, and add some testimonial from here. And go into typography. First change background. Then we're going to change the color. Of course, that will be the name, text color white, and title will be white. And I think I need make background color a little bit different. Okay, or we can use different background color at here. For example, I am going to copy this color and add here, and now going to change typography. Rubik, and font weight default or normal. Font size okay. Title typography Rubik. Same as name typography Rubik, and it looks good. Now going to duplicate. Before duplicate, I am going to add a padding here. Then duplicate, and in that duplicate I am going to add another image. For example, going to this one, and add some text from here. Seller. Okay, so we have finished our testimonial section, and going to click on the update. Okay, so now we need to add pricing table, and we want to add pricing table at the bottom of the testimonial. And before that, I like to share the preview with you. So I'm going to visit my website using another browser. Okay, it looks good, but our header section need to be full width. Without this one, everything is looking very nice. Okay, so I'm going to fix our header section again. Layout, full screen, fit to screen, no gap. Okay, now going to click on the update. Default full width, and we can make it full screen using some CSS code. Let me check again, then I'll fix it with some CSS code. So that is no any hard job for us. Just final test, then we'll fix that with CSS if this one does not work. That is working. This problem is on my browser, and we also adding CSS code here. Section, let me check it by changing fit elementor canvas. Oh, now it's worked nicely. Okay, okay, so we need to add pricing table right now. So I'm going to add a new section and select our structure, and there will be 3 or just 2 basic pricing, or maybe 3. Let me check our reference website. Most of them using 3 pricing. Okay, so I'm going to add 3 pricing. So select 3 column and add padding as usual I do, and find the table, pricing table, and drag and drop it here. Okay, and our pricing table name is ungraded, that is monthly search. This one, pricing tag, monthly search. Then we need to add picture, so I'm going to add picture. Picture will be as list. Add picture, and in the picture we want to add icon, so I'm going to add icon. Arrow, searching some icon, relevant and perfect icon. You can use this one, check, insert. Okay, and icon size also going to change the font size. Style, title, pricing tag, picture size, color letter we want to add typography, our font rubric font size, okay, and line height. Looks good, and we need to work on the icon size need to be decrease, and okay, now going to duplicate this icon size, or we can change icon size here. Icon change size and icon color, so I'm going to change the icon color. Icon color, then this background, duplicate some, okay, added more picture, and here the button get started, button color, button, no icon, so I'm going to add color of button background color, okay, and pricing title, price tag background color, vertical position, background color looks good. We can change also change with this color, and that is not okay. So we have designed our pricing table, and we can make a little bit large our title, big, and font size we can make a little bit. Okay, now it looks very perfect, I think, and going to duplicate and add its duplicate at here, and we just need to change our title and price. So going to change the title and price tag and price tag, then change title and price. Okay, we just keep demo text here as pictured. So we have done this section also, and let's check our design preview. Now it looks so awesome, and we can add some box shadow of each section. For example, at here, style, box shadow, no, not right here, border, box shadow, space 50, five or 1, zero, then 0, and okay. Now adding border areas, and add some padding at the bottom. Now it's look more beautiful than previous. 555 51. So I'm going to draw this in the bottom 50, border radius 5, one. In the same way, 50, border radius 5, 51. Okay, now it's look more beautiful than our previous design. Let me show you that if after refresh, looks is very nice than previous design, and we can make it more beautiful by changing the typography or changing this typography and this one, but I'm not going to do this right now. And I think that will 30 maybe. Okay, and finally we need to add a FAQ section. So I'm going to add a new section, select one structure, add padding, top 50, bottom 50, and for FAQ we are going to find some accordion, going to select this one and add FAQ from here or any other resource. There is a good FAQ and there is no FAQ, there is no. Okay, so I'm going to add FAQ from here. First of all we need to add title, so I'm going to copy this and paste in here. And here we need to add a title, so I'm going to add a title, and we no need add any description, so I'm going to simply hide and hide this one also. And now we need to add some FAQ. First of all I'm going to add this one, and add some text from here. Then going to add this one and add some text here. And now we're just going to duplicate, and in each section we need to add, we just change the title of each section. For example, change this one, title or questions, change this one, this title, this title, okay. So we have created our FAQ. Now we can do some settings from here. Icon content, we can change design from here, but we are not going to do this. and click on the update, and we have done. Just need to add some footer text at bottom. So we just use simple footer text, not too much, and just use this copyright footer text. I'm going to add a new section, delete, add bronze, add text here, copyright term and condition, just added this one for design purpose, as you know. Okay, and if you want, we can add another section here, but I don't know if you have energy to continue this tutorials more time, or you don't have. But for example, we can add this. This looks very nice, so I like to add this section also. And first of all, I'm going to download this image, save image, save this image, and add a new section here, and in here we are going to add a background image that we have downloaded. Then we add this text. I'm going to reload this page again. Click on the add a new section, select structure, then upload our background image, insert media, okay. Now we need to add some text, so I'm going to copy this one and paste it here, and in here we're going to just changing the text and some paragraph. and later we add a countdown. Add padding, and adding some background overlay. It's look good, not too much bad, and going to click on the update. Then I'm going to add a countdown using a free plugin. Add new plugin. Add new. Countdown. Easy countdown. Let me check this one. Smart countdown fx. Let's check this one. There have another easy timer, so we are going to use best one. So let's use this one. Smart countdown fx. So let me get this one from here. So here the counter I am going to use, just drag and drop here, not this one. Counter timer, countdown timer, we can use anyone from first one is good. Time settings, okay, so everything looks more professional and perfect right now, and I think we have done this without any coding skill, and you have enjoyed these tutorials. If you think this tutorial is helpful for you and you can design your landing page or sales page without hiring a developer, then click on the subscribe button and click on the like button of this video. I hope you will support me by sharing this video with others, with your friend circle. So thank you for your time. Before end this tutorials, let's check our design website again. Looks good, everything looks very nice. Wow, we have done. So thank you for your time again. Have a nice day. We'll see you in the next tutorials. Bye bye.